Shashi, Sudha, and Siddharth, I don't think you all had to speak in English for me to understand. I actually know Tamil. I can, even count in Tamil. You want me to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know Vadakkam, then I know Tani, Pachatani. I have a 15-word vocabulary in Tamil, but that's not stopped me from watching Tamil films without subtitles. Hear Tamil great songs. And I should say today, I don't think any of us needed any language. The amount of love, affection, friendship that was in air, I don't think I needed any language to understand what was happening here. Thank you so much for all the affection. I don't think I've ever been showered with so much of affection in Mumbai. The amount of affection I've got here today. So, answering you, for me, this journey on this film started one night at 11:30 at night. Maddie called me. He says, "Where are you?" I said, "I'm at home." He says, "Can I come and see you?" I said, "What? Maddie, what happened? Some emergency?" He said, "No, I have to come and talk to you." So I got a little worried. I said, "Something serious has happened," and Maddie used to come and talk to me about it. He, around 12 o'clock, landed at my house and straight went on. He says, "I found a story. It's a fantastic story." I said, "Maddie, 12 at night? We could have waited till tomorrow morning." He said, "No, you have to hear this story." And in 20 minutes, he narrated this story to me. I got completely fascinated with the story, and more than that, the passion he had for making this film. So I said, okay. He said, "We're already making it in Tamil. If we want to make it a bilingual, and if you're there, we can easily make it." So I kind of got associated with it. And I have to say that this last 1.5 year of journey, I've made a lot of friends. I've met some fantastic people, starting from Shashi and Sudha. Then I met our dear Santosh. I went to his house a couple of times to work on the songs. And I have to say, you get the best sambar rice in his house. His wife makes the best sambar rice. Whenever I go to Chennai, I definitely want to go there at least for the sambar. And Santosh, you gave us fantastic music. And then I met lovely actors. Nasir Saab, I've been a great fan of his work since Chachi 420 when he saw that. And of course, I've watched tons of his Tamil films. So for me, what was exciting was a journey of combining Hindi cinema with Tamil cinema. So a lot of art technicians worked on this film. Jeetu is sitting out there. He's a sound recordist. He's right now in Chennai working. Swanand did the lyrics for this. And these two lovely ladies, I today actually couldn't recognize any of them. First time I've seen them like this, they all look so pretty. If you've seen them in the film, they're like fighters, constantly wanting to kill each other. So for me, it's been a great journey of making lovely friends. And I seriously wish that we have so much of talent in Chennai, so much of talent in Mumbai, and if we can all come together and make more films together, working together, they'll be absolutely wonderful. Like I've done one ad with Surya, as you just said, and we had a wonderful time. It was a one-day shoot, but I've really admired Surya's work, and I wish someday we can work together. We've taken a lot of heroines from here, right from Hema Malini to Sridevi. I wish we can take some more heroes from here to Mumbai. And Bala, of course, I've been a huge fan of your work. I've seen so many of your films. So I wish actually we can, for me it's a step that I've met technicians, artists from Chennai. Now I know a lot of them. I wish now we can combine and make films together. And my best wishes for this film. I hope this film does well. So all of us can go out and make more films. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for all the affection.